Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Hi all, welcome back to day 95 of 100 days to CAT Quant series. In this video, we will be discussing 5 questions from Quant. So whenever a question is displayed on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question. Once you're done solving, you can resume the video. If you find this video helpful, like the video, share this video with your friends who are preparing for CAT, and most importantly, for more videos of this kind, subscribe to this channel. In case if you want to attempt these 5 questions in the form of a test, you can log into our portal, the gurukul.org.in. The link is already in the description below. Now, once you click that link, you'll get enrolled to a course called 100 Days Race to CAT, in which there will be 3 sections: Quant, LRD, and VRs. We'll be uploading 100 tests in each section, so that on a whole you'll be getting 300 tests to practice, which is close to 1500 odd questions, right? So which is good amount of or good number of questions to practice, especially in the last stages of your preparation. And these tests are absolutely for free, right? So without any further delay, let's get started with the first question. Asha and Barkha got the contract to complete a job. They plan to divide the total work involved into 3 equal portions. The first portion of the job was completed by Asha alone in 84 hours, and the second portion of the job was completed by both of them working together in 35 hours. If Barkha alone finishes the leftover portion of the job, what is the total time to finish the job from start to finish? So we have Asha working alone, A and B working together, and B alone working, and they share equal portions, right? So they have divided the total work into 3 equal portions. Then the first portion was completed by Asha alone, second portion by Asha and Barkha, and third portion by Barkha alone, right? So Asha took 84 hours, and they both took 35 hours, right? So let me consider the individual portion, right? One portion of the work to be LCM of these two. Now what is LCM of 84 and 35? That should be 7 into 12 into 5, right? So let me consider each portion to be 7 into 12 into 5 units. So 7 into 12 into 5, and this is also 7 into 12 into 5, done. Right, so if 7 into 12 into 5 units were completed in 84 hours, what is the efficiency of A? So these two will get cancelled and this would be 5. Now what would be the combined efficiency? 12, right? Because 7 into 5, 35, these two will get cancelled and we are left with 12, right? So Asha's efficiency is 5. Both efficiency is 12, combined efficiency is 12. So I can say that Barkha's individual efficiency is 7, right? So if the efficiency is 7, so B will be taking 60 days to complete the third portion of the work, right? Now what was asked? What is the total time taken to finish the job from the start to finish? So 84 plus 35, 119 plus 60, 179 hours should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the second question. Sum of the first 10 terms of AP is 100 and the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP is 600. Find the first term of the AP, right? So let the first term of the AP be A and the common difference be D, right? So sum of the first 10 terms would be 10 into first term A plus 10th term A plus 9D by 2, right? Now this is given to be 100. These two will get cancelled. Then what do we have? 2A plus 9D is equal to 20. So we have two variables, one equation, right? And the sum of first 20 terms of the AP is 600. So 20 number of terms into average A plus 20th term 19D by 2. Now this is given to be 600. So 2 10s, 10 60s. So 2A plus 19D is equal to 60. Similarly, we have 2A plus 9D is equal to 20. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. These two will get cancelled. 19D minus 9D is 10D. 10D is equal to 40, or the common difference is equal to 4. Now what was asked? We are asked to find the first term, which is nothing but A. Right, so substitute the value of D either in this equation or in this equation. Now let me substitute it in here. Right, so 9 into 4, 36 plus 2A is equal to 20. Now 2A should be equal to minus 16, or the value of A is equal to minus 8. So C becomes the answer to this question. Now coming to the third question, Rima decides to purchase three different types of pens for different prices. Type A for 7 rupees each, type B for 6 rupees each, and type C for 5 rupees each. Right, it is known that she has spent exactly 100 rupees and bought at least one pen of each type. Right, so let me consider she bought A plus 1 pens of 7 rupees each, B plus 1 pens of 6 rupees each, and C plus 1 pens of 5 rupees each, and she had spent a total of 100 rupees. So 7A plus 7 plus 6B plus 6 plus 5C plus 5 should be equal to the total amount spent, 100. So what do we have here? 7A plus 6B plus 5C is equal to 100 minus 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 100 minus 18, 82. Right. Now what was asked? The maximum number of pens she could have bought is. So we are asked to find the maximum value of A plus 1 plus B plus 1 plus C plus 1. Now which is nothing but A plus B plus C plus 3. Right. Now for this to be maximum, the value of C should be maximum, because the weightage given to A is more than that of the weightage given to B is more than that of weightage given to C. Right. So let us have maximum number of pens of 5 rupees each, so that we'll be getting maximum number of pens combining all the three types. Right. Now what is the closest multiple of 5 to 82? 80. Right. Now how can I write 80? 82 minus 2. Now can we have 7A plus 6B being 2? No. So this is not possible. Right. Now what is the next multiple of 5? 75. Right. So how can I write 75? 82 minus 7. Right. Now can the value of 7A plus 6B be 7? Yes. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. Right. So we have 7 plus 5C is equal to 82. If that's the case, we'll be having 5C is equal to 75, or the value of C is 15. Right. So this is the maximum value that we can get for C. Right. So if I replace C with 15, and what is the value of A? 1. Value of B? 0 plus 3. So 1 plus 15, 16, 16 plus 3, 19 will be the maximum number of pens she could have bought for 100 rupees. Right. And buying at least one pen of each type. Now coming to the next question. Find the number of natural numbers less than 20 that satisfy the inequality. We have x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus none greater than 0. Now let me first consider is equal to 0. Let's find the roots of this cubic equation. Right. Now let's try by putting the value of x as 1. So 1 plus 15, 16 minus 7 minus 9 is also minus 16. So 1 is a root of this cubic equation. Right. So if 1 is a root, then this will be divisible by x minus 1. Right. Now if I divide x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 by x minus 1, right, so the quotient should be x square. So you'll be having x cube minus x square minus plus these two will get cancelled. So minus 6x square plus 15x, right? So let me multiply x minus 1 with minus 6x, so that you will end up getting minus 6x square here, minus 1 minus 6x plus 6x. Right, so plus minus, so these two will get cancelled. Now 15 minus 6x, 9x minus 9. Right, so this should be multiplied with 9. So we have x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 can be written as x minus 1 into, now what is x square minus 6x plus 9, which is nothing but x minus 3 whole square. Right, so this is expansion of x minus 3 whole square. So x minus 1 into x minus 3 whole square, now this should be greater than 0. Right, now x minus 3 whole square. Right, so when x is not equal to 3, right, so this will always be positive. Right, so you cannot include 3, x cannot take value of 3. Right, so x minus 1 should be greater than 0. That means x should be greater than 1, and we need the number of natural numbers that satisfy this inequality but less than 20. So you can consider all the natural numbers from 2 to 20 except 3. So you can consider 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, it is less than 20, so you should be considering only 19. Now 19 minus 4, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16, and we have 2. So 16 plus 1. So you'll be having 17 natural numbers that are less than 20 satisfying this inequality. Now coming to the last question. Two trains P and Q start traveling at same time towards each other with uniform speeds from stations M and N respectively. So we have two stations M, N. So we have two trains P and Q traveling towards each other. Right. Train P reaches station N from M in 30 minutes. So P took 30 minutes. Right. And let this be the point where, sorry, we already have Q, right? So let this be, let us say R. So R is a point where you have these two trains crossing each other. Right. So let me consider P took T minutes, right, to travel from P to R, and train Q will also be taking T minutes, right? Then what? Train P reaches station N from station M in 30 minutes. So the total time taken by P is 30 minutes. So P already had taken T minutes to reach R. So to reach N from R, P would be taking 30 minus T minutes, right? And Q takes 27 minutes to reach station M after meeting train P. So from to reach M from R, Q took 27 minutes. Right. Then what was asked? Then the total time taken in minutes by train Q to travel from station N to station M. Right. So if we can find the value of T, then T plus 27 becomes the answer to this question. Now let us use the concept of proportionality here. When distance is constant, we know that speed is inversely proportional to time, right? So speed of P by speed of Q should be equal to time taken by Q, time taken by P, right? So let me consider this stretch MR. Now speed of P by speed of Q should be equal to, what was the time taken by Q? 27 minutes. And what is the time taken by P? T minutes, right? And this should be equal to, now in this stretch Rn, what is the time taken by Q? T by, what is the time taken by P? 30 minus T. Done. Now let's cross multiply. 27 into 30 minus 27T is equal to T square. So this is nothing but T square plus 27T minus 810 is equal to 0, right? So we need to write 810 as a minus 810 as a product of two numbers, and they add up to 27. So that's nothing but 45 into 18, right? So T square plus 45T minus 18T minus 810 is equal to 0. So I can write this as T plus 45 into T minus 18. Now this should be 0. Now this will be 0 when T is equal to 18 or T is equal to minus 45. Now T cannot have negative value because T is time, right? So T should be equal to 18. Now what was asked? The total time taken in minutes by train Q to travel from station N to M. So 27 plus T, 27 plus 18, 45 should be the answer to this question.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share, and subscribe.